In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Galaxy Tab A to Smart TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have any model of Smart TV, you will be able to connect your tablet to it. This will allow you to screen mirror and watch content playing on your tablet directly on your TV on apps such as YouTube, Netflix, and so on. So there are two main ways to do this. The first one, and the one that I would recommend, is to check if you have Smart View available. Smart View is a feature that is natively built into most Samsung devices, including their tablets. So if you have Smart View, this is going to be the best way to get this done. Don't worry if you swipe down from the top and you notice that Smart View is not available for your specific model of tablet. I'm going to show you the alternative method. But if you have this, tap on the option to use Smart View. You will see this menu, and all that you have to do here is connect your tablet to another device, in this case a TV. So be in close proximity of the TV and it should appear on the list of devices. If it is a Smart TV, it will be detectable by the Samsung tablet and you simply have to tap on it. Immediately upon doing this, everything that is currently playing on your tablet will be mirrored over to the TV and you can control additional settings. If your specific model of Samsung Galaxy tablet does not have Smart View, then you will have to use a service like Google Home. Google Home allows you to connect devices like a TV to the application, and you will find the Cast My Screen option inside of the app. So if you don't have Smart View, download Google Home, choose the option to add a device, and go through the menus here. You will be able to link a TV that you have available. Once the TV is linked, if you tap on it on the home screen of the app, you will find the Cast My Screen option, as you can see here, with this little icon of a TV and some waves at the bottom left. Then you just tap the option to cast your screen and you will be able to control the volume and control the mirroring options. It is simple to set up and you simply have to choose between Google Home or Smart View. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Galaxy Tab A to Smart TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.